Today we're going to make a fall-themed family tree. To make this craft, you'll need a few items. You'll need some construction paper of various colors, including a black one for the background and brown for the tree. You will need some scissors, some glue, a marker, and we suggest that you might want to use a pencil as well, just in case you would like to outline your leaves before cutting them. Okay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is make the tree itself. So you could just make it abstract. I just kind of trace this one out. Or you could also use your hand and then just create a big trunk. So I'm going to glue this down very first. So then we can add leaves to it next. Okay. There we go. How does it look so far? Not very fall themed yet, is it? Let's try adding some colors. So you'll have to think before you get started on the next part, how many people are you looking to add to your family tree? Now, family means something different to everybody, so it doesn't have to just be the people in your household. It could be people outside of your household as well. So for mine, I'm going to add me, my mom, my dad, my sister, and my brother. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll need 5 leaves for mine. So I've got my construction paper and I'm going to cut out some leaves for it. Now again, this is might be where you would like your pencil to trace your leaves first. I'm just gonna cut mine freehand today. I've already got some started. I'm just gonna cut a couple more. And you wanna make sure they're big enough that you can practice writing down your family's names too. So there's one yellow one, maybe I'll do one more. There we go. So I've got some yellow leaves and I've also got some other ones I cut out earlier. So I've got some red and some orange too. So now before I go and glue them, I think I'm gonna write the names of my family on the leaves first. So I'm going to write, you can write their actual names or you can write what you call them. So I'm just going to write Mum. Do you know what letters make up Mum? M, O, M. Good job. And then I'm going to write Dad. Do you know what letters make up Dad? D, A, D. Very good. And then I'm going to write my name. I just put me. And then I'll write sister. And again, or you could write their names, sister. Last one, I also have a brother. There we go. So those are the people that I would like to add to my family tree. Good job. So I'm just gonna glue the back of these and add them on to my tree. Now, parents that are listening to, just so you know, if you're looking to actually research your family tree, access to ancestry.ca, the library edition, used to just be in library use only. Now that is temporarily, you're able to access that from home as well. So if you'd like to do that and research your family tree, you can head to our website, and that's kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. And then you can find the digital library, and that will give you access to ancestry.ca right from home. So we hope you enjoy that. If you have any questions about it or need some help with some research, you are able to contact us as well, and we'd be happy to help you with that. So there we go. There is my family tree. So I've got me, my mom, my dad, my sister, and my brother. Now you could decorate this more too. You could add some glitter if you'd like, or you could decorate the tree trunk. There is another story we just read about a really great tree that you might want to take some inspiration from. They talked about a squirrel that was on the tree and some bugs and birds and things like that. So that might be something you want to add to your tree as well. It's up to you. But there is your family tree with fall leaves on it. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we will see you next time for Maker Monday.